going to the Naadam Festival in Illinois. We get to park way far away from where we're at, so we probably have to walk a good, I don't know, half mile or so. I think there's a lot more people here than they thought there would be. We'll find out. Still walking. Still have to get across a major road. All right, we finally got across the street. There's a lot of cars here already. They say there's supposed to be about 3,000 people here expected, but who knows? Seems like a lot more. Here we are. Here are a bunch of little tents and stuff. So we'll go here and check them out. Looks like there's a lot of different stuff. Here's a traditional gur, also called a yurt. It's called the gur in Mongolia. Got one there, got some Mongolian products here too. Very nice.
Chicago to the stage to deliver the opening address for this grand Naadam, National Naadam Festival.
Ирхэн хүндэт наадамчдаа элэг нэгт Монгол ахын дүүсээ хүндэт зочид төлөөлөгчдөө их дэлхийн өнгөө засаж хүн ардын сэтгэл сэргэдэг дэлгэр зууны энэ сайхан өдөр Америкийн нэгдсэн улсын төвийн бүсэд амьдарч буй монголчууд бид үндэсний их баяр наадмаа тэмдэглэхээр хуран цуглаад байна. Монгол үндэстний багтан түүх, цөрт ёсны уламжлал, давтаршгүй өв соёл, ёс заншлын
The history of Mongolia is endlessly rich, and the Mongolian soul is forever sustained by the heavens and glory.
Lots of nice tents to check out. Everybody's showing their businesses. Here's some khuushuur, which is traditional during Naadam. I had plenty of this when I was in Mongolia. They had places alongside the road that would sell them all over the place. Very good. I believe this has beef in the middle. Inside of the khuushuur. It almost looks like gyro, but it's just straight up beef.
Хүчит өхөн барилтааны 2-ын давамны барилж байгаа наадмын танилцуулъя.
Бүрдүүлээд 7 эрэгтэй, 3 эмэгтэй багтай ирээд адих Монгол цагдаа гэсэн асрын өмнө хүрээд ирнэ үү? 2:45-аас 3 орнд хүрээд ирээ. Тэгээд бүртгэдээ игээд шууд тэмцээнээ явуулъя.
Here we are towards the end. We're about to leave now. Still pretty busy. Picked up some khuushuur and we're taking it home, and some arag, which is actually horse milk. Now we're headed back to our car. So if you like the video, press the like, subscribe, and please make a comment. Thank you.